first point is these sink. Which objects are going to sink? The objects which are heavier, okay, whose weight is more. So here it will be heavier. Those objects will sink down whose weight is more. Okay, understood it? And next is these float. So which objects are going to float? Which are lighter. Lighter means whose weight is less. Okay? Now you will understand this with the help of experiment. See, now I am taking this eraser. Okay? All pay attention here. I am going to put this into this glass. You can see now? What happened to this eraser? Sinking down. That means what? This is sinking down. Means what? It is heavier or it is lighter? Heavier. So eraser will come in which column? Heavier. This column eraser is going to come because it is heavier and it is sinking down. It's going down. Sink means what? Going down and settling down. Understood this? Yeah. Next. Okay, now I'll take this cap. Pen cap I'll take. Okay? Now I'll put this. It's floating, so it is lighter. So here I'll write pen cap. Okay? Next, I will take a sharpener now. Okay? Now see what happens. Yes, very good. So sharpener is also in this column. Lighter. Okay? Now, here I am having a small piece of wire. Okay, let us see what happens to this now. See this small piece of wire. When I am putting, what happens? It's a very small piece. But it is heavier. Why? Because it is going down. It's not floating on the water. So in which column it will come? Heavier. In heavier column, wire will come. Okay? Now I'll show that piece of chalk. See this piece of chalk I'm putting here now.
Floating.
No, it's not floating. Where it is floating? It's going down, it's settling down, it's not floating. It's heavier. It is sink. It has sinked down. So chalk will also come in heavier part. Okay? All understood this?
Yes.
Okay, now I'll show you one magic. Okay, I'm taking a lemon. Habiba, now let's see what happens to this lemon here. See, what you can see? Sink. The lemon is sinking down. That means it will come in this heavier column. Lemon will come here, correct?
Yes.
All can see the lemon has gone down? Yes. So the lemon has gone down. Now what we will do is, we will now increase the weight of this water. Means which is called density. Ali, don't talk. I want to increase density of this water now. Now what I'll do is, I'll add 2 spoons of salt. And I'll stir it properly and I'll mix it well. Okay? Now, if a substance is dissolved completely in water, what is this water called then? Yes, it is called solution. So this has become solution of salt. What this has become? Salt solution this has become now. Okay? Now see, you all can see the salt has completely dissolved in water. Now because I have put salt, what happened? The density of water has increased. Yes or no? The weight will increase. So if you put something, if you add something, what happens? Weight increases. So because I have added salt, weight of water has increased. Now this was heavier initially. It was heavier, no? It came down. It was sinking down. Now I have increased the weight of water. Now let's see what happens to the lemon. See. Yes. Now the lemon is floating. Now it has become lighter. Why it has become lighter? Because I increased the density of water. Understood everyone?
Yes.
Okay? So that is what lighter objects, they float and the heavier ones sink down. But if you are increasing the density, means if you are doing that in a solution, if you are increasing the density and then you are doing the one which is with more weight, that's going to go down. Because now lemon has become lighter and I have increased the weight of water. So this became lighter, it became smaller and this has become more strong now. So what will happen? It will throw up the lemon and the lemon will float. Okay? All understood? Okay.